Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Deborah. If you're new here, we are so glad to have you. Please consider subscribing to the channel if you like and find the content helpful. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful 3-color spiral balloon centerpiece using just a balloon stick, a balloon cup, and a glass cutting board from Dollar Tree. It's super affordable, easy to make, and perfect for any party or event. So let's get started. Materials needed are a balloon stick and a balloon cup. If you like to make your stand taller, the pack comes with these connectors. You are just going to attach the connector to one end of the stick and attach another stick to the other end of the connector. It's just that easy, guys. You will also need a glass cutting board, a hot glue gun or strong glue. I'm using this B7000 and making this balloon stand for the first time, so I'm keeping my fingers crossed. Scissors for cutting your balloon stick. Balloons 5 inches and 11 or 12 inches. Colors and brand of your choice. I am using 3 5 inches chrome silver, 3 standard black, and 6 metallic fuchsia, and 2 12 inches chrome silver, 2 standard black, and 4 metallic fuchsia. A balloon pump, manual or electrical. I highly recommend an electrical for your latex balloon to save you time and breath. A balloon sizer for uniform size. A 18-inch latex or foil balloon for your topper. I'm using this super cute heart foil balloon for my topper. And finally, a half a 260 for attaching your topper. Let's prepare the base. First, take your clean cutting board and draw an X onto it for locating the center. Next, take your cup and glue and apply a good amount around the cup and glue it right in the center of the cutting board. Press surfaces together and hold for 30 to 60 seconds. You can add more glue for extra support. Repeat the steps. Take your stick and apply glue around the bottom and attach it to the cup. The minimum cure time is 24 hours. It's time to inflate balloons to form cores to build the balloon centerpiece. Let's first inflate 2 balloons of the same color, dominant colors. Size them down to 6 inches by pressing them up against the 6-inch hole of the sizer. Slowly release the air until they just fit through and tie them together to form a duplet. To tie them together, lay one neck over the other, pull tight against each other, wrap around twice, and tie a simple knot. Repeat the steps with 2 different color balloons, secondary colors, to form another duplet. Now take the 2 balloon pairs and twist them together in the middle to form a quad. You will form only 1 6-inch quad and 1 5-inch quad. We are going to repeat the previous steps with the 5-inch balloons. Attach the small nozzle to the large nozzle, inflate the balloons and size them down to 4 inches. You will form 3 sets of 4-inch quads. It's time to build the spiral. I place an uninflated 5-inch balloon on top of the stick to help secure the top balloons. Slip the 5-inch quad first layer onto the stand between 1 dominant color and 1 secondary color. Your dominant and secondary colors should be on the opposite side of each other. Twist the 2 balloons around each other to lock them into place and gently press down on them. Repeat the steps. Stack the 6-inch quad second layer on the first layer. Follow the opposite color pattern in the front and the same color pattern in the back. Rotate the quad slightly to the side to form the spiral. Make sure the balloons are nestled in between the balloons below them. Keep stacking and rotating 4-inch quads, third layer, fourth layer, and fifth layer in the same direction. That's what creates that beautiful spiral. Guys, let me tell you about the B7000 glue. The adhesive strength and durability is not good at all. After 24 hours complete drying time, I attached the balloons onto the stand and the glue kept lifting. I will definitely not recommend this glue for this type of project. I tried hot glue and had the same problems. I thank God for reminding me of the super glue I had purchased from Dollar Tree. After applying it and letting it dry, it did its job. The strength and durability is great. I thank God for super glue. Let's add a cute finish. I used a hand pump to inflate the foil balloon. I then placed the 260 across the end of the balloon neck, rolled it up around the 260 all the way up to the base, and tied both ends of the 260 into a double knot. For attaching the foil balloon onto the top of the centerpiece, I centered it right on top, making sure it's nestled down between the balloons. I then took one end of the 260 and wrapped it snugly around one of the front balloons. And I did the same with the other end of the 260, wrapping it around the other front balloon. Adjust the balloons to make sure the spiral pattern looks even all around. And there you have it. You just created a quick and easy spiral balloon centerpiece using Dollar Tree supplies. It's budget friendly, super easy, and looks amazing on any party table. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more DIY balloon decorations ideas. Thanks for watching. Until next time, you guys stay blessed, and we will see you in the next video. Bye.